In 1932, Australia declared war against birds. This is the true story of the Great Emu War, the most pointless military operation in history. Farmers in Western Australia had a problem. Emus, giant, fast, angry birds, were destroying their crops. So the government said, "Don't worry, we'll send the army." And they did, with soldiers, with machine guns, against birds. What happened next was unbelievable. The emus won. They were too fast, too smart. They split into groups, ran in zigzags, and the soldiers couldn't hit them. One commander said, "These birds can take bullets better than tanks." After weeks of fighting, the army admitted defeat. Not a single emu surrendered. Australia spent thousands of bullets, and the birds didn't care. To this day, the Great Emu War is remembered as the only war where humans fought birds.